To me, there's something special about the natural material of leather. From the feel to the smell, from the design in my head to packaging a finished product that I've made. I fall in love with every piece that I make. Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'm the founder, designer and maker behind Melissa Marie Leather. I hand make leather accessories and bags using sustainable leather on traditional techniques with a focus on slow fashion and sustainability. I love what I do, and I aim for that to show through every piece that I make. My goal is to turn my passion into my full-time profession, and that's why I'm here on Kickstarter. Hand-making leather items not only adds character, but also superior strength over machine stitching. The traditional method of saddle stitching creates a knot through the leather with each stitch, meaning that if one stitch fails, the line won't. On a machine, once one stitch gives, it'll run. My love for leather came from my equestrian roots and my respect for my tack. From there, I learnt the traditional leatherworking techniques and found that leather accessories are handmade for durability and for beauty, not just because someone didn't have a machine. I started to design and create small accessories like card holders and key rings, eventually working my way up to laptop cases and bags. All entirely made by me, no machines, just hands. I'm looking to raise £1,000, and if I'm successful in my campaign, the money will be used to bulk buy some leather hides, allowing me to build up some stock. That will mean that I can start to approach independent shops and market my work to reach more people, but still staying true to the soul maker, quality over quantity ethos of my brand. If you support my project, your reward will be entirely handmade by me, using high quality, sustainable leather from an ancient tannery in my home county of Devon in the UK. Your item will then be packaged using recyclable materials and come with a lifetime guarantee. That's how confident I am in my products. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much if you choose to help fund my little project.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
No.